Y'all, imagine this. You got a new lead that you already booked an appointment for. In the car, your VA is off for the day. And instead of logging into your computer while driving, which is dangerous, just pull over, you open your phone, and all you do is send a message to Olu Lanionu asking if Thursday still works. You hit send again from the comfort of your phone. It sends to your system, and boom, done. You didn't touch your CRM. You just use your AI assistant to make this system work for you. That's the magic of what we just built with REI Unlock's new MCP integration. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It lets AI agents actually make and take actions inside your system. Messaging contacts, updating tags, signing tasks, fetching appointments, right? Even changing and updating pipeline stages and contact information. And you can see the cool thing is we've added the AI admin as a beta for all users of REI Unlock. So you can use it in your system for new people, or as I showed you earlier, we wired it up with a couple of AI assistants, a full knowledge base on the system, and tons of actions that it can actually take inside the system. You know what that means? Anyone on your team, new or experienced, even if they don't know a thing about real estate, can just chat with it. You tell it what to do, and it goes out and does it. It has a knowledge base. So if you have a question about what you're doing, it can still help and guide you right on through it. This isn't just some chat bot. It shortens your team's learning curve, saves you for hunting for info, and helps you move way faster. If you've had a brilliant business idea or a next step or an action item during the call and then completely forgot about it 2 days later, this tool is going to save your ass. Let me literally jump in and show y'all what this can do in real time. I'm going to run a few test commands inside the AI admin assistant, just like you would or your team would. Okay. And I can do this from my phone. I can do it from the browser. I can do it right here inside the system. Okay. So I'm going to tell it to create a new contact named Rachel Thomas. All right. So I could just pop in here and I could just tell it that. Create a new contact named Rachel Thomas and tag her as follow up. Boom. And it's going to go ahead and send that to my system and create Rachel Thomas. And now let's go find Rachel Thomas in here and see if it actually created her. Boom, right there. Y'all, this is going to shorten everyone's curve. You could be out at an appointment and tell it, hey, I just got Rachel Thomas's email. Can you update it for me? Right? And it'll go in, find Rachel Thomas, and update her email. Let's try that from my phone, literally. Hey, I just got Rachel Thomas's email. Can you update it in the CRM? Her email is Rachel Thomas at reiunlock.com. I'm going to send that right from my phone, and it's going to tell me what it does right after that. Her email has been updated. Is there anything else you'd like to do? And I can refresh this page and it'll show me her email. I'm just going to go click her name again, or maybe I'll click my name and then back to her. Yep. And it updated her email address just as I typed it wrong when I spelled it out in here, but it did exactly what I told it to. All right. And you can see the tag that I told it to add is right there as well. All right. And I can take this even a step further and I can say, add her to my existing clients pipeline in the new client stage. And it'll do all of this stuff for me from my phone. And again, right here from the application, it'll do all this stuff on the contact record for me. And I know y'all are thinking, man, where could I take this? You could literally be at a property, message your assistant, tell it to add the comps tag or to skip trace someone or anything like that, and it can go calculate out an offer for you. You can then tell it add the LOI tag to that contact and tell me the mail. It'll tell you the mail and say, hey, we added the LOI tag. They've now been sent a letter of intent literally from you just talking to your app. So that is the true power of this feature right here. And the other cool thing I can do, already showed you sending a message, adding a tag, creating a contact, updating that contact's record. We could even fetch tasks, get appointment info, all sorts of information, move people through pipelines. This thing is truly going to save y'all a lot of time. It could even send buyers your text for deal. Like if you're out on the go or meet them somewhere, you could say create a contact for Jimmy Garoppolo or whoever and add the money text so they get the new deal that you just put into the system. This thing is going to save you guys hours and hours of time on top of what the system already does and completely shorten your team's learning curve. So it's almost non-existent. I'll drop a separate tech video builder and want to see how I actually use DAD, Pinecone, ChatGPT, N8N, and a bunch of other things to build out this app. But for now, just know this: the assistant isn't just smart, it's actually super connected into the knowledge base, the system, your actual custom system, and it can take away a lot of the busy work. It can do a ton of stuff for you. It's ChatGPT agents, but trained on steroids for your system. But if you're an REI Unlock or using AI and still doing a ton of manual busy work, this is your cheat code. Just drop a comment and subscribe if you this. It truly helps us know what kind of content to create. And DM me or tap the link in the description below if you want to activate your MCP AI assistant. This is going to be live for all REI Unlock users in beta mode for the next week or two. And then we're going to do some other stuff so that it's not just in everyone's purview. We're going to make it a little bit exclusive. So jump on it, use it while you can. And then if you love it, you'll be able to use it forever. And we can even connect this to other systems too. So again, DM me, comment, subscribe. Let's get your system actually working for you.